जाणां आमी सगळे पणजेकर एक जावन ह्या कॅसिनोच्या इशूचेर कितलेशेच आतां म्हयने जाले काम करता आनी हालीं तर तुमी पळयलां पणजेचे आमदार मिस्टर बाबूश मोन्सेरातान स्वता म्हटलें की द कॅसिनोज फील लायक दे कंट्रोल द गव्हर्मेंट आनी ही खरें म्हळ्यार खरी गोश्ट आसा. ह्या कॅसिनोच्या धंद्यान इतली बेकायदेशीरपणां आसा, सो मेनी इलिगॅलिटीज. फाटले थोडे आतां म्हयने आमी सगळे RTIचे इन्फॉर्मेशन काडून रिसर्च करून हाजेर खूब स्टडी करून कितलेशेच आमी असे आयटम्स काडिल्ले आसा वीच एक्सपोज हाव द कॅसिनोज आर बींग गिवन अ फ्री हँड ओवर द सिटी ऑफ पणजी अँड ओवर ऑल द आर्म्स ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा. इतलो तांकां फ्री हँड आसा. हे सगळे मुद्दे आज तुमकां सगळी माहिती दितले. हांव मागता मॅडम पेट्रिशिया पिंटो तुमकां फुडें उलोवणें करचें.
We have information that we got under the Right to Information Act, and when we were studying this, we found that there's a huge irregularity detected in the approval granted for this 112-meter vessel to come into the river Mandovi. Now you have to understand, this has been approved by the Chief Minister of Goa. And he is not the authority to approve this boat, and I'll tell you why. Okay, now the captain of ports and his office had brought in lot of issues regarding navigational safety. They felt that this boat being so long, such a boat had never entered the river before, and they said, the captain of ports said that it may create a navigational hazard due to so many vessel clusters creating a bottleneck at the position requested, more so because of its huge dimension. This matter went to the government, to the Secretary Ports. The Secretary Ports says there's no clear-cut policy, and he had a discussion with the captain of ports. And he came to the conclusion that there is going to be navigational hazards in case their new vessel is permitted to be brought in, which is big in length, breadth and depth. There is no clear guideline how big a vessel can be brought in. And if this happens, there will be more applications in future. So according to him, after getting the file from the captain of ports, he felt that a feasibility report, a study needs to be done. Technical feasibility needs to be done by technical experts to ascertain what is the maximum size of boat that can be brought in into Zuari, Mandovi and other Goan inland waters, keeping in view the navigational safety of vessels. Now, since this is a major policy decision to be taken, the Secretary of Ports decided to send it to the Chief Minister for a policy decision. Remember, as per the Indian Ports Act, the Captain of Ports is the Commissioner of the port area. It's the Captain of Ports who regulates the navigation. He is in charge. If there is a disaster, we catch the captain of port, not we. He is responsible if there's any disaster. But in such a case, this file goes to the Chief Minister, and the Chief Minister gives his own opinion, not a technical opinion, because no feasibility study was done. This is Chief Minister Pramod Sawant's own opinion, which he has no right to give, and he has no right to do. All that he can do under the Indian Ports Act is he can make a policy or he can do something with the budget, but he cannot give technical decisions, and this is what he has done. And he says that considering the facts that the dimensions are between 90 to 120, there is a circular saying you can build such a boat, but one of the dealings hands say that You build a boat not to come into the Mandovi River. You can build a boat and send it wherever you want to send, out of India or out of the state, but not to come into the river. But he takes this clause that you can build a boat. So because you can build a boat, we'll convey no objection to the applicant. This is absolutely wrong. The Chief Minister has no right to do such a thing, and we feel that this has to be withdrawn. The Chief Minister's approval has to be withdrawn because he has approved. It is the Captain of Ports who has to approve, not the Chief Minister. In fact, we met the Chief Minister some time back and he said the boat is not coming in. I think he knows what mistake he's made. I think he knows that he's given the approval when he has no right to give the approval. He's no authority under the Indian Ports Act. So he has no right to give the approval. So for any hazard, it will not be the Chief Minister who will go and handle this. It will have to be the Captain of Ports. So we strongly feel that he has to withdraw this decision that he has given, and we hope the very fact he said the boat is not coming in, I think he's realized what he's done, and probably the boat is not coming in. We hope we can trust him with the statement that he has made.
Boat that we protested against, जी 112 मीटर लांबाची बोट आसा, which is almost 30 meters height. म्हणजे परत आम्ही सांगताले की पणजेन थोड्यो बिल्डिंग्यो आसा ताच्या पेक्षा व्हडली ही बोट हे म्हादय नदीन व्हरून एक डॅम कसो घालून उडयतले आशिल्ले. सो हाजे परमिशन दिवपाचें काम केलां चीफ मिनिस्टरान अगेन्स्ट द एडवायस and the suggestions given by the technical people like the captain of ports and the secretary of the ports. Tani recommend केले कि there should be a technical feasibility done whether this such a vessel can enter the river or not. ही technical feasibility केल्याशिवाय चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान स्वताकूच म्हाका दिसता ताच्या आयुर्वेदिक डिग्रीन ताका खंय ही माहिती मेळ्ळी की सच अ वेसल कॅन बी टेक्निकली परमिटेड. ताणें नोटेशन दिलें की दिस इज इट शूड बी ओके अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस नोटिफिकेशन, आनी तांणी नो ऑब्जेक्शन दिवया म्हणून अप्रुवल दिल्लें आसा. सो फाल्यां जेन्ना कितें प्रॉब्लम जातलो, हू इज गोइंग टू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? म्हाका दिसना, जशें मॅडम पेट्रिशन सांगलें, म्हाका दिसना की CM विल टेक एनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, कित्याक फायनली द बक लायज विथ द कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स. आनी आमी कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्साक परत सांगलां, फाल्यां कितें मिसहॅप जालो की बोट बुडली किंवा उजो लागलो, कितेंय प्रॉब्लम जालो, फाल्यां कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स नेक विल बी ऑन द लायन, and we have kept on advising him not to blindly follow the dictats of the higher ups in the government.
The captain of port national hazard
Yes. It's all here. I can read it out to you all, but we're giving you all a copy. It's all here. Today in the morning, we went and met the captain of ports. We gave him this letter. We told him that your department has put all his remarks, including you, and you cannot just shirk your responsibility and say, let the CM decide. CM is not the conservator of the ports, of Panjim Port and the areas that come under minor ports. It's not the CM at all. The CM can only, like I said before, budget or can make a policy decision. There's no policy decision. There's no technical feasibility done because we have asked under RTI and they said no, nothing has been done. So what's happening in Goa? Anybody can come anywhere and put anything, and the CM seems to be bending backwards to give the casinos licenses and permissions. This is absolutely wrong, and I think the captain of port should take that responsibility and say that I am the captain, I'm the conservator, I'm the designated authority, I'm the one who will manage this area. And I will not let anyone override my decisions. This should be, what we expect the captain of ports to do. So I hope the CM withdraws his
The CM
approval.
has given, and we demand that the CM should withdraw the approval in writing. He has given an oral assurance, but since on paper he has said that he has approved, he should also put in writing that the approval has been withdrawn.